आनी आतां खबरो विस्तारान. गोंय हायकोर्टान उत्तर गोंय पीडीएक पणजे ओडीपीत बदल केल्ले खातीर नोटीस जारी केला. उत्तर गोंय पीडीएक 2 आठवड्या भितर ह्या नोटीसीचेर उत्तर दिवचें पडटलें. पीडीएन पालिकेक विश्वासात घेयनासतना ओडीपीत बदल केल्यात अशें पणजे महानगरपालिकेचे महापौर सुरेंद्र फुर्तादो हांणी सांगलां. पणजेच्या महापौरान ह्या विशीं हायकोर्टात लेखी याचिका सादर केल्ली. आरडीएक्स खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली.
CCB wants to send a strong message to the outgoing government that they harassed our panel for 3 years. 2 years ago the mayor and this is the 3rd year. All our development were blocked. They took CCB for granted. They would not take us into confidence. This is the first CCB in the whole of India, the corporation, which has been undermined by this government. Nowhere in India anything is done without the concurrence of the urban local body, ULB. Whether it's the JNRM, whether it's Smart City, whether it's Amrut. We have filed this petition. The High Court has sent notice to the NGPDA and to the government, returnable in 2 weeks' time. We are confident that we have full faith in judiciary. We are confident that the High Court will give a befitting reply to NGPDA and to the government for bypassing the Government City of Panje. So much so that in future nobody should dare act like this on CCB. When our government comes, we will see to it that this ODP is scrapped. We will come out with a new formula whereby the citizens, the stakeholders, the architects, the engineers are taken into confidence before any ODP is going to be passed in the future.